Hi everyone, in front of me is Yamaha MusicCast 50 and today we will discover alarms and snoozing them in your MusicCast app. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our MusicCast app. Then we have to click on this clock app. As we can see, there is turn alarm on. We can turn this on, click alarm settings. We can choose our time. It can be like half past 3. We can choose if it have to repeat every day. We can choose source. We can choose beep and snoozing it. We can choose volume too. Now we have to click OK and click OK. Now we have to close it. If we want to snooze it, we have to just click this button over there. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.